good sound.
Kitty garbage around fucking bouncing.
Weddings, isn't it?
Well, aye, it's good but good but what did one say? It was up on 8 point.
What's that for? Nerve endings or something like
I
that?
don't know, biomass. Aye, that's stuff like that. I took that many CD3 garbage. I took that many, I couldn't fucking store it. I'm a muscle shut down. Because they're a muscle relaxing, it was only for
I guess
a
for
while.
damaged nerve endings or
I was
something
only
like
for a while and I couldn't pick myself up, man.
that. Sweet.
Driving into motors and all that, I get laughing. Yeah, really.
Just coming up to Shawlands.
The facials.
No, I've been.
My ex is got that right. Bowie.
What's his name?
Bowie. Alan Bowie.
I don't know.
He's there with Ross Barrett and that.
I know Barrett, huh?
Yes. And Daisy and that.
David Lee.
Aye,
I know his brother James.
I see a bed, he's a steel tube by the valley on my SNK right. I like my really first batch. So I could take another batch and smack them on so he was up cutting and I was like, I'm not gonna matter slang, get yourself tidied up. She's gonna try to steal off and just put shut up. But I gave them if they asked me, you know what I mean?
Stealing one half people, you know, something.
We didn't have bed stole 2 batches of Allen office. Sneakily tried to do that and then we moved to the kitchen. Oh, the other there. It's like did they give the table the other there?
Lidl.
There's another. Well, yeah, really.
I think they were just changing drivers.
Fucking hell, I'm falling asleep. Wake up, man. Fucking phone's not like the phone end. It's seen the network. The phone up a bit. What?
So they're just coming up to the start bar.
Wake the fuck up, John, I swear. Give me a please. Stand by. Right, again, Fatty, of course, meal for £3. Very genuine. Very genuine, that means. So I thought that was in a cup, you go and put it in a cup. Just facing like me,
Another day. Don't take your phone out, but put it in your pocket, man.
What's in mine? I'm over there.
That's us just fine.
That's fine.
Stop that. McDonald's. McDonald's.
Easy attack, boys.
Oh,
Long way.
buff.
So here you are last time. See the office bloke. Give on first, yeah?
I'll bus the gun, you see, I went after the bus to Canadians.
Tell him the driver didn't come up at the start of our mate, so you had to take your phone in on a bus.
Exactly.
Do you know phone number then, that?
There's a phone, right, an alarm a wee bit, and you can see it, the bus was late, so I'm only 10 minutes late. But you only get about 4 or 5 chances, now you come up about 10. Fucking turning up at 11:30 at night, no,
Forgot.
it's happened fucking 3 weeks ago.
I don't fuck up then, mate, when they've got to jail.
Fucking pain in the arse. And it's slack as fuck too. I think I can maybe sleep. I think I can maybe sleep at half. See,
Don't want to take a risk, but mate.
Let's fucking see how you...
See if you cut it, what?
I'll
set the alarm off.
If I cut it, we'll set the alarm off. My pal was in the house one night, he just fucking cut it clean off, didn't he, that remember? He just cut it clean off.
Do you know track well the tag is?
He did, I can't remember, is that us?
Where he's gone?
Oh, so it's
She's
been
gone.
Nice.
Aye, there's...
We get half a chinkies at that bell.
No, aye, we got half a drink, walked down,
Aye.
carried it, and it was got no fun. Only else you take that off him a wee bit.
Well, it's not very serious.
Yeah.
Yeah, fucking hell.